The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for Jefferson County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Newton County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Hardin County in southeastern Texas, Orange County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 25 to 45 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is expected to continue or become worse across warned areas. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.